Most people believe that once you reach your 70s, 80s, or 90s, your legs are destined to become weak, that muscle loss, balance problems, and fatigue are just part of aging. But here's the truth that few people realize. Your legs can stay strong and powerful even in your 90s if you give your body the right fuel every single day. This isn't about lifting heavy weights or spending hours in a gym. It's about what you eat, and more specifically, one simple food that top surgeons and geriatric specialists say can completely transform your leg strength, mobility, and independence, no matter your age. You see, as we get older, something called sarcopenia begins to occur. It's the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. By age 60, most people lose nearly 1% of their muscle each year. That means if you don't take action, your legs, which carry you, balance you, and give you independence, slowly weaken. But what if I told you that there's a natural way to fight back? That one simple daily habit could not only stop muscle loss, but actually help you build it, even at 90 years old. The secret is high-quality protein, but not just any kind. The type, timing, and source of your protein can make all the difference between weak, shaky legs and strong, stable ones. Now, when we talk about protein, many people think of meat, chicken, or eggs. And yes, those are good sources. But the real leg strength booster comes from a powerful amino acid inside protein called leucine. Leucine is like a trigger for your muscles. It tells your body to start building and repairing muscle tissue. And as we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein, meaning we need more leucine-rich foods to get the same effect we had in our younger years. Foods like eggs, fish, lean chicken, Greek yogurt, and even plant-based sources like tofu and lentils are rich in leucine and can significantly improve muscle health if eaten consistently. But here's where it gets interesting. Most seniors make one major mistake. They eat very little protein in the morning and load it all at dinner. This is a big problem because your body can only absorb a certain amount of protein at once. To keep your leg muscles strong, you need to feed them protein evenly throughout the day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. For example, instead of a piece of toast in the morning, have scrambled eggs or Greek yogurt. At lunch, add beans, lentils, or grilled chicken to your salad. And for dinner, enjoy a portion of fish or tofu with vegetables. By spreading your protein intake, you constantly supply your muscles with the building blocks they need to stay strong. Now let's talk about another underrated food that's essential for leg strength, omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, omega-3s reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints, improve blood circulation, and help your muscles recover faster after physical activity. In fact, recent studies have shown that older adults who consume omega-3s daily build muscle more efficiently than those who don't. So if you're over 60, adding 2 servings of fatty fish a week or taking a high-quality omega-3 supplement can make a visible difference in your leg strength and endurance. But let's not forget about something most people overlook: hydration. Your muscles are nearly 75% water, and even mild dehydration can make them feel stiff, weak, and fatigued. Especially in seniors, dehydration happens easily because the sense of thirst decreases with age. If your legs often cramp or feel heavy, it might not be weakness, it could be dehydration. Aim to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day, and include hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon in your diet. Let's add one more secret ingredient: vitamin D. Without enough of it, your muscles can't properly contract or generate power. Vitamin D deficiency is incredibly common among seniors and is directly linked to falls and leg weakness. The best way to get it is through sunlight exposure for at least 15 to 20 minutes a day, or from foods like salmon, fortified milk, and eggs. You can also talk to your doctor about taking a vitamin D3 supplement, especially in times of winter when sunlight is limited. Now, here's the truth. Eating the right foods is half the equation. The other half is movement. You don't need to run or lift heavy weights, just daily leg engagement. Gentle chair exercises, squats while holding onto a table, or even slow walks around the house can keep your leg muscles active. When you combine protein-rich foods, omega-3s, hydration, and vitamin D with simple daily movement, you create the perfect formula for lifelong strength and stability. But here's the question I often get from my older patients. Is it really possible to build strength after 80 or 90? The answer is yes, absolutely. In one study, adults in their 90s who did light resistance training and ate protein-rich meals gained measurable strength in just 12 weeks. Their balance improved, their walking speed increased, and most importantly, they regained confidence in their bodies. That's proof that it's never too late. Your body is capable of rebuilding itself at any age. You just need to give it what it needs. And let's be honest, strong legs are more than just muscles. They represent independence. They mean being able to walk without fear of falling. They mean climbing stairs, dancing with your grandchildren, going outside to enjoy life, and feeling capable and alive. Weak legs are often the first sign that independence is slipping away, but you can prevent that. You can reverse it. You can stay strong, stable, and energetic by making simple, powerful choices every single day. So if you're listening to this and wondering where to start small. Begin tomorrow morning by adding protein to your breakfast. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up. Go for a short walk after lunch. Include fish or eggs in your dinner. Take in a bit of sunlight every day. These small habits might seem insignificant now, but they will add up over time and transform your body from the inside out. Remember, your legs carry the story of your life. Every step you take is proof of your strength and resilience. Don't let age write the ending. You can take control right now. Eat smart, move daily, and nourish your body with what it truly needs. You'll not only build stronger legs, you'll build a stronger life one step at a time. Because staying strong isn't about fighting age, it's about fueling your future.